Sure, Ganesh. Actually, I have like more than 16, 17 years of experience, and I'm working primarily in the data governance, the AI governance space right now. And I used to work in the previous tools like IGC, Colibra, Alation, and different governance tools. But now the trend is like everything is moving into the AI governance. So currently shifting to the AI governance part of it. While doing it, Purview is being like another tool which I'm trying to um, get it onboarded or using. So yeah, trying to understand the governance solution in Purview. I have used similar products, and with the governance thing, I can definitely compare with the other tools. However, would like to have it as a formal training. So that's the reason I'm just like trying to see the different components in Purview.
Okay. Okay. So great to hear that already you work with the Purview other tools. So here, uh, Ganesh, you have shared a two course part. One is DLP and second is this governance. So
Yes, yes.
we need to discuss about governance only, correct?
Uh,
Okay.
yeah, both.
So in Microsoft, sorry.
Both if possible. Yeah, you can give an overview about both, like because you want to like do one after one.
Okay, okay. So, see, Sankar, myself, Vikas Pandey, I am based from
Mhm.
the Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I have near about 13-year experience into the IT industry and in Microsoft products like as an M365 architect. So in M365 as an architect, I supposed to be work on Microsoft Purview, Defender, Exchange, SharePoint, Teams, OneDrive, Intra ID, these tools. So in day to day life, I'm using these tools and trying to mitigate our requirement. Okay. So there are two things. Okay. First, I will tell you. For example, Microsoft Purview. Previously, we are calling as a compliance center. Now we are
Mhm.
calling Microsoft Purview. In Microsoft Purview, like these parts, like we Ganesh is separated into two, but both are into the one part, like
Mhm.
one particular tool that is called as Microsoft Purview. In Microsoft Purview, there would be a lot of options, okay, a lot of settings and lot of options where we can able to secure our tenant and secure our data with the data loss prevention, with data leakage. We can able to do it. Okay. So what we will going to discuss about it. For example, when we start our course, and first we will try to understand what is Microsoft Purview. Okay. And
Okay.
then then after that, once we understand Microsoft Purview, why we are using, we also try to understand what is the licensing architect, what is the licensing overview. Okay.
Mhm.
And then after that, we will going to create one Microsoft tenant. Okay. Like how to set up it. And once tenant is ready, and then we will assign a required licenses. Okay. And we will try to understand DLP, how what DLP can do. Okay. Then after that, what is the sensitive type. Okay. And where DLP basically we are applying, where we are uh, trying to applying, like what kind of applications, like Exchange Online, SharePoint, OneDrive, Teams, and endpoints. Okay. So these are area we will going to apply a DLP policy to make sure that our data should be not leakage. Okay.
Okay.
Then after that, okay, yeah, these are things we will do. Then after that, we will also try to understand permission, like what kind of a
Mhm.
permission we required, how we are going to create a sensitivity labels, how we are going to create policies, okay, testing policies, labs we will going to perform. Okay. Then after that, we will also going to understand SITs, sensitive information types. Okay. Like
Mhm.
the in DL in Microsoft Purview, there would be a lot of SITs which is already created by Microsoft's. Okay, that is we are calling as a built-in SITs. Okay,
Mhm.
we will try to understand, and along with that also we will try to create in one custom SITs. Okay, based on the our one of the scenario we will took. Okay, like for example, if I am from the India, so I will consider as a Aadhaar card. Okay, or as a PAN card.
Okay.
Okay, so we will create those SITs and we will try to create a policy, and we will apply those policy into the tool like Teams, or might be OneDrive, or might be it. We can apply it and we can explore it how it is working. Okay,
Okay.
then after that we will also try to understand content explorer, like e-discovery part. We will also try to understand what is the e-discovery, why we are doing. Do you heard about anything e-discovery?
No.
Okay, we will. This is also part
Oh,
of
is it?
the,
Okay.
yeah. This is also part of the Microsoft Purview. Okay,
Mhm.
where we try to understand what is the like for example, if any kind of data data somebody has been sent, or you are not able to explore it, so we will running a discovery to understand, okay, where data is went, okay, what was the
Mhm.
data. So we will also try to understand. We will also try to create a alert system, incident system, okay, these things.
Okay.
So these are the part, and also apart from that we will also try to understand DLP, endpoint protection, DLP onboarding, okay,
Mhm.
supported file type, okay, USB protection, printer protection, network sharing protection. These things also we will try to understand.
Okay.
Okay, so this is about a course about Microsoft Purview. Okay, that is a part
And
one.
the classifiers are also
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
right?
I
So,
will come.
okay.
Yeah, I will come that. Okay, so once DLP will understand, and Microsoft like these things, then after, okay,
Okay.
like we will try to understand data set, data
Mhm.
classification, okay, critical data elements, okay, business
Sure.
gory, then after that data quality, data profile, creating data
Mhm.
quality connectors, then data quality and rules. Okay, these things we will try to understand. Okay,
Okay.
also we will try to understand health monitoring. Okay,
Mhm.
report state health scheduler and permissions. Okay, these things we will try to understand.
Okay.
Yeah, and these are all are part of the Microsoft Purview. Okay, and apart from this few things also we will try to understand retention policy. Then after that, legacy retention policy. Okay, how we can apply it, how we can things. So these things we will going to cover. Okay,
Okay.
yeah. So okay, okay, fine. Before you like already you work with the other tools, so for you it is easy to understand how Microsoft Purview is offering. Okay,
Yeah.
how data. So it is easy to understand for you. Okay,
Sure.
yeah. This is all about from my side. If you have any question, you can ask me.
Y- Yeah, like I don't have any specific questions because I mean, if you have used these tools already, or if you're currently using it, that would be great if we can go through the thing. So uh, I have my official account, but I won't be able to use it uh, for for the training purpose or outside that particular laptop. So, is it something possible for us to create the demo account for the training purposes? Because do you have any uh, steps or any kind of
Yeah,
documentation that you?
yes. As I told you, correct. We will first try to, in first class, we will try to understand how to create a Microsoft 365 tenant. Okay, because of these are tools and these are products. Okay, it is all about. Let me share my screen to you, so you will get
Sure.
idea about it. How is look
Yeah.
like portal? Okay. Just a minute.
Yeah, if you also can
See.
give a brief background on how the Azure single sign-on and the Entra ID is integrated with Purview on the roles and permissions.
Yeah, I will tell you.
Sure.
Okay. See, now I have shared my screen to you. Okay. If you can able to
Okay.
see my
Yeah,
screen.
I'm able to see your screen.
What was the screen? What you able to see? Like Microsoft Purview you see, or how? What? Which screen are you able to see?
Yeah, I'm seeing the Purview screen.
Okay. Okay. So this is the Microsoft Purview screen. Okay. So about integration. Okay. First of all, whenever we would like to set up a M365, okay, this is the one thing also you need to understand. This product is SaaS application. Okay,
Mhm.
and this product is dependent on various things. Like for example, Microsoft Purview, as I mentioned you that, like see this, lot of things is there. Like we can able to
Right.
do the communication, alert, compliance, data categorization,
Catalog.
data lifecycle, security, DSPM, e-discovery barriers. So these things we can able to do it. But these things, like these are the data. Okay, how we are going to govern the data, how we are going to secure the data, how we are going to like discover the data. So all these things we can able to do it from Microsoft Purview. But these products, Microsoft Purview is basically from the Microsoft Intra ID. Sorry, from the Microsoft Office 65. Okay, and Microsoft Office 65 having a multiple applications. Let me
Mhm.
show you. Okay. Okay. See, now you can see here. This is a Microsoft Admin Center. Okay. In Microsoft Admin Center, when I scroll down, so you can able to see security, that is called as Defender, Microsoft Purview, identity. This means Intra ID, Azure,
Mhm.
Exchange, SharePoint, Teams, PowerPoint. Okay. These are basically a different services. Okay, and these are all services are corroborated with the M365 services. Okay.
Okay. So
So
if you click the Microsoft Purview, can you please click that one,
yeah, yeah,
Microsoft Purview here,
yeah. I click
Vikas?
on it. Yeah, click on it. It is opening now.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Okay, it is opening. See this. It is opening now. Okay. When I click on solution, so these are the options coming. Got it?
Oh, we are
So
into the
this is one
admin
thing.
center, right?
No, we are not admin
Is
center.
it the
We are
admin
now
center? Okay.
okay. This is the Microsoft Purview
Oh,
Center. We are reach out.
okay.
This is the admin center. This is the Microsoft 365 admin center. And
Okay.
here these
So
are the
if you
admin
go to the
center.
admin
Okay.
center
Hmm.
and Purview, like, is it which
Yeah.
screen it will be?
Yeah, when I click on here, it will reach out to Microsoft Purview. It will open a
Oh,
second
okay.
second tab, and we are reach out to Microsoft Purview.
Mhm.
Okay, and these are applications. These are tools. It is highly integrated with each other. Okay, for example, as you mentioned that how it is connection between Intra ID. Okay, so these
Mhm.
are already. For example, if you're going to create any users, okay,
Mhm.
for testing purpose, so those
Okay.
users, yeah, those users is already connected with M365. Okay, because of whenever you are creating any kind of a user from M365 from anywhere, it is already be in Intra ID. This means it is highly integrated. Okay,
Mhm.
so whenever you are creating anything, whenever any comment with the identity or anything, so it is basically Intra ID responsible to for the identity purpose. Okay, how to
Okay.
authenticate user, how to create a user. So this means these are the SaaS application and they are highly integrated with each other. Okay. Okay. Then after that, once we create a user and once we assign the license, so we will always reach out to the Microsoft uh, center. Okay. And there one thing also we need to understand. Whenever we are assigning the license, okay, after the license, for example, if you are belonging from the M365 M365 for example, you would like to use Microsoft Purview. Okay, you are going
Hmm.
to use you are the manager, sorry, you are the administrator, whatever.
Hmm.
These are the
Yeah.
responsibilities. So we also would like to assign a roles. Okay, like
Hmm.
what role we will assign. Without role, you cannot able to perform any task here. Okay,
Right.
so these role called as built-in type.
Hmm.
These are the built-in type roles. Okay,
Hmm.
so this part is also we try to understand. So so these
Okay,
are
you
the
basically
bundle.
have roles, groups. Okay,
Yeah. So different role groups. For example,
sure.
if I would like to assign you in data governance roles, okay, so you can able to
Hmm.
perform only data governance role. Just click on role and just click on role administrator, and I can add you
Okay.
here. Okay, like can
Hmm.
click on member and just add you here. Like
Okay.
choose user, choose group, whatever you want. Just click on and add yourself. For example, let me add this guy Aditi. Okay, now
Hmm.
she will become a she now she having access for the data governance, so she can able to do it. Then data administrator,
Okay.
or might be if I wanted to, she can able to create a DLP policy, or might be a e-discovery research. Okay, only I need to assign that. So that task,
Hmm.
that particular task, that she can able to perform. Okay,
Okay.
that is that. So this is called as inbuilt-in role. And one thing also you need to understand, whenever you would like to assign any role, you supposed to be visit here.
Hmm.
Microsoft 365 also have a different capacity and different roles. Like if I click here, okay, and Office 365 already have these are role, but these are basically it's basically a M365 rules, that is for
Hmm.
administrator, but this is the compliance role and it is built-in role. Okay, for example, if somebody come and ask you, hey, somebody come and ask you, like if I am assigned myself as a global administrator, can
Hmm.
I able to access the services? No, you cannot able to access the uh, Microsoft Purview services. Okay, services you can able to access, but you cannot able to perform any task, any kind of search, any kind of a policy you cannot able to create. You supposed to be first assign another access that is called as built-in role. You're supposed
Okay.
to be assigned into the group, and then you can able to perform it. Okay,
Okay.
so
What is
that
the
is
adaptive scopes there? Like below the rule groups, the
below
adaptive scopes.
adaptive score. Okay, these are the
Oh, you
basically
create a scope. Okay.
yeah, here we can able to create a scopes. Yes,
The scope consists of attributes.
then data connection, the device onboarding. Okay, these are the things.
Okay. So basically the role groups here we have, and then inside purview, again, we have a roles, right? So
Yeah.
are
Mhm.
they related by any way?
They are not related to anything. They are basically
Okay.
these role we are using only for Microsoft Purview. Okay, and the Office 65 role we are using for performing Office 65 task. Like we have a common role like global administrator. Then after
Okay.
that, security reader. These are roles are there, but these role we are
Okay.
only for only purpose of administrator task, not about Purview.
Okay.
Purview is
Okay.
totally different. It's basically a compliance thing. Okay, previously we are calling
Right.
as a
Yeah.
compliance. Yeah.
That's what I'm wondering. Like we do have the roles like steward and other stuff, but I don't see it here in the role groups.
These are the roles. Okay.
Yeah, this is uh yeah. Can you please put as a steward on the search box? Like will anything? STE. Yeah, I don't think it's
No, no,
there.
no, it is not there. Yeah.
Okay. So those things will be there in the purview roles. So this one is the global settings, right? Is it at the Microsoft 365 level?
No, it is not here. These are the things like these are the role like custodian, data clarification. So these are the basically role type. Okay. Here, if we can
Oh,
let me
okay.
see, scope reader. Yeah, these are the only things. It might be
Okay.
something different feature in different tools you are talking about. Okay. But
Okay.
here it is not here. Okay. It is only these things are there. You can also see here.
Okay.
These are the things we will going to learn about it.
Okay. Sure.
So see, we are completely going to learn about it Microsoft Purview. Okay, and these
Hmm.
are the many things we will going to cover. First, we will start with the DLP. Let me come here.
Oh, can we start with the data governance?
Okay,
Uh,
fine. Sure, sure. We can start with the data governance.
yeah. Oh, unified data catalog, or is it just data catalog? Is it different for different?
Yeah, yeah. These are the data catalog.
Oh, okay. This looks slightly different than what I see. I get something like a unified data catalog. So is it difference because of the licensing?
Yeah, it might be. Which license you have?
Uh, I need to check. It's E5 license.
Yeah, that is why you can able to see it. But once we assign the E5 license, it will come.
Okay, because the solution name itself is as I mean like unified data catalog or something like
Can
that.
you share your screen so we can able to see it?
No, that's what like I have it in
Oh,
my office laptop,
okay,
so
okay, okay. No
I
issue.
may not be able to,
Yeah.
but I'll get some details on the exact names because uh, yeah.
So in lab, what we will do, we will assign the that exact
Hmm.
license we will going to assign. Okay,
Okay.
and definitely those features will come because of Microsoft E5 license come with these tools. Okay, and also there would be a one license that is called as Microsoft Purview Plan 2. Okay, that
Okay.
licenses come with the all these features. Okay, so then you can able to see those options and we can able to perform those tasks. Okay, we will try to understand.
Oh, sure.
Fine.
Yeah. Let me connect in my. I'm just like connecting my to
Sure,
my
sure.
other laptop.
Take your time. Yeah.
Just want to see like, oh, let me go to the purview. Yeah, what I see here is unified catalog. That is the name of this. Let me go to the solutions and see what is the name I'm seeing here. Solutions. Yeah, they have compliance manager and unified catalog. Rather than data catalog, it's saying as a unified catalog. So I think that's the kind of product it is.
Okay. Okay. So you are the on the same place, correct? In Microsoft Purview and
Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. So
data
it's
catalog.
the
Okay.
same thing like under the Microsoft Purview. Like I went to the solutions.
Mm-hmm.
There I see the thing as unified catalog, but in the case like when you were doing the listing, it was showing data catalog.
Okay. Okay.
So maybe is it because of the access?
Yeah, because of not access, because of the license type. Okay. Once we assign the correct license, it will be there.
Okay,
Okay.
sure.
Unified, correct? Yeah, unified.
Yeah,
Yeah.
unified catalog.
Fine.
Yeah, I have a Microsoft 365 profile. I go there. My apps.
No worry about it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We will basically cover those topics. Okay, we will basically, when we assign the correct license, it will be there.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, we will try to understand those things. Yeah,
Okay.
fine.
Sure, Vikas.
So
So, as a next step, like, when shall we have the
next
session?
step
We can start.
from like what time you are available, so we can able to connect.
No, I'm pretty much flexible, Vikas. So let me know your availability.
Actually,
Like,
see, actually, as I had heard about the from Ganesh, you are from like you're in Canada. So for example, I am from the India, so there would be some time gap. So if you would like to connect in morning, like as we have connected, so that is also will okay. Or in evening, like late evening, if you want to connect. So whatever you want.
oh, is it? Then in that case, I would prefer to have in the evenings, like what we have today,
Okay.
8:30 my time it would be, and 7 a.m. your time. If that works well, then we can have the sessions
Sure,
like
sure,
this.
sure. So the same time we will going to connect. Okay. From Monday
Okay.
onwards. Okay.
From
We
Monday, or like is it possible for us to do anytime over the weekend? Because
weekends only you want, or how it is?
no, no, I mean, like, we can do a mix. Like, what I was thinking is, if we can do it, I mean, as soon as possible, we'll just like complete the entire stuff within the, I mean, whatever
Uh,
the
okay. So why? Because of I
minimum
having
duration.
some plan for this week. Okay.
Oh,
This
okay,
weekend.
sure.
That is why
Okay.
I like
Oh, that's okay.
from
Like, if
yeah
possible, we can do that.
yeah
Otherwise, that's fine.
from Monday we will start. Okay.
Okay,
And
sure.
after that we will also current weekends also. Okay. I will
Okay,
say.
okay, sure. Yeah, that's perfect. We can do that way.
Fine, Shankar. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, fine, because yeah.
Thank you,
So
Vikas. Thanks for your time. And Shankar, do you have any questions?
No, Ganesh, I don't have any questions. I'm just like thinking if it is going to be on the weekdays, can we move it some 30 minutes later? Like, can we have the session by 9, 8 a.m. in the morning? Is it possible,
8,
Vikas?
8 a.m. IST?
Yeah, IST.
Is it
Or it
possible?
will be too late for you.
8 a.m.
8,
IST.
yes, 8 a.m.
Yeah.
8, 9 a.m.
8 to a.m. Okay, 8 to 9 a.m. Yeah, yeah. We will do it. Okay, in morning. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's for morning. A.m. is like 8 a.m. for my is a morning.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. They will do it. Okay.
Yeah, just
8 to
for
9.
yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, okay. Yeah. Then I think we should
1
be
hour. Yeah.
good.
1 hour daily. Yeah. Fine.
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Okay.
From next week, we can
Okay.
see Shankar. Like
Yeah.
this week is
Yeah,
not.
Yes.
yeah. We can start by Monday, and then we'll discuss Ganesh.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure, sure. From next week, we
Okay.
can see if there is any possible for weekends also, based on your availability and Vikas availability.
Yeah.
We can.
Sure.
Okay.
We can
Fine
do
then.
that way.
Bye for everyone.
Okay. Fine. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Bye-bye.
Yes. Thank you, Ganesh.